Untimely death due to sudden cardiac arrest when the heart abruptly stops pumping is a major cause of concern not only in India but in Africa, South America, Malaysia, Indonesia and the Philippines. To get the heart to start pumping again, a high voltage life-saving shock needs to be given within 6 minutes through a machine called defibrillator. These machines typically work on electricity and are therefore not suited for unelectrified and remote settings. The cost of conventional defibrillators makes them unaffordable even for mid-sized hospitals, not to talk of over $1.5 lakh of primary health centers in the Indian context. Soon, not anymore. The world's first hand-cranked defibrillator machine is the story of a medical startup set up by two friends from the city of Pune in Maharashtra. Aniruddha Atre and Ashish Gaure are childhood friends, obtained the same engineering and management degrees from the same US university, crafted the same dream, and are the co-founders of the health tech startup called Jeevtronics Private Limited, along with Dr. Sriram Durjati, CEO of Durjati Electronics Limited Liability Company of the United States, based out of New York. They have together designed and developed a defibrillator which can be used in remote areas where there is no electricity and is easily 1/4 of the cost of routine defibrillators.
As the user would rotate this handle, crank it for about 12 seconds, you should be able to see the ECG of the patient in about 5 seconds of cranking of this device.
The device's ability to quickly generate 1800 volts necessary to defibrillate a heart in flat 12 seconds by simply hand cranking the device is its foremost novelty.
And by the way, we are grid charge as well. So we are both. We are dual power, grid charge as well as hand cranked generator charge.
Another novelty is taking that voltage and applying it to the patient with two paddles using a circuitry that is affordable and robust versus more expensive circuitry used in conventional electricity-operated defibrillators. Jeevtronics' unique power electronics design is at the heart of the technology and give the device any environmental condition, hot, humid, sub-zero or dusty, and it will work equally well. The US India Science and Technology Endowment Fund has not just provided Jeevtronics access to capital but to hospitals as well to run their pilots, putting them face to face with those who would be willing to invest in follow-on rounds and creating opportunities with larger distributors to take the hand-cranked defibrillator to the target segment.
If people could have hand-cranked radios, why couldn't we have a hand-cranked defibrillator?
Therefore, at Jeevtronics, we chose to develop a defibrillator that would be hand-cranked and enable it to work in unelectrified areas of India, Africa, South America.